Hi everyone, Namaste. So as from the title you have seen that I'm going to review about Maybelline Lipgradation lipstick, and again I'm doing it outside because I want to show you the actual color, that how it looks on my skin tone in the natural light. And I know you also must be thinking that why I'm reviewing about those products that are available for such a long time in the market, why I'm not reviewing about new launches. So it's not necessary that every time I'm going to review about new launches. So if you're following me for quite a long time, so you must be knowing that I speak truth. So my reviews are completely honest and I'm never ever going to lie about any product. So let's come to the review of the lipstick now. So I have two of the shades from this range, from the Maybelline Lipgradation range, and this is how the packaging looks like. So इसके ऊपर एक प्लास्टिक रैप भी लगा हुआ था जिसपे सारी इसकी डिटेल्स लिखी हुई थी, द मैन्युफैक्चरिंग डेट, द एक्सपायरी डेट, बट ओवर हेयर nothing is mentioned except the name of the lipstick and the shade of the lipstick. So this is a demerit because you cannot see the ingredients and then you cannot see the expiry dates. Otherwise the packaging is good. You can see the actual color of the lipstick from the body itself. It is very handy, it is very lightweight. Over here the lipstick also has a buffer to buff your lips so that you can get that ombre effects on your lips. But in my opinion, what I have used this and it is of no use. It just takes off all the lipstick. What I do is I use this to smudge my eyeshadow and my eye makeup. For lips, this thing is of no use. And this is a lip crayon. The texture is very smooth, very soft. I purchased the second one just because of the texture. The application of the lipstick was so smooth and so soft that I couldn't resist to buy another shade from this range. Another good thing about this lipstick is that you don't have to sharpen this, so it is retractable, so you can take out the lipstick like this. And also you can see that the lipstick is very slim as compared to the other lip crayons. This is very slim lipstick, and so it becomes very easy to apply this lipstick on your outer corners, and especially for the people who have very thin lips. So you can line your lips first with this and then you can fill up your lips, because you can see that how slim and thin this is. So it makes it very easier to apply the lipstick, and the lipstick is not going to stay on your lips for very long. The moment you are going to eat or drink something, the lipstick will come off, especially this color. This is the mauve one shade, and but if you are applying another shades like reds and pinks, so it will leave a light stain on your lips, but the lighter shades like this will not leave a stain also. Otherwise, if you are not eating or drinking something, so this lipstick is going to stay on your lips for good 3 to 4 hours. As I told you, the current shade which I have applied is mauve 1, and this is suitable for fair to medium skin tone. Dusky skin tone can also wear this, but maybe you have to apply a lip liner with this. It will be a nude for them, but for my skin tone it is looking like a mauvish brown color. And this is how the hand swatch looks like. So the current shade which I have applied is pink 2, and this is how it looks. And this is a very deep pink, fuchsia pink color, and it is going to suit almost every skin tone. This is a universal shade, so anyone can try this color. And this is how the hand swatch looks like. And this is such a beautiful fuchsia pink color. I just love this color. Even I was wearing the same color in the Devsena makeup look, and this lipstick is going to suit each and every skin tone. This doesn't have that chatak neonish pink undertones in it, so this is the reason that this is going to suit every skin tone, because I have seen a lot of fuchsia pinks have that neonish effect in it that washes out the darker skin tone people. So the reason why I purchased this lipstick is because of the texture. The texture is extremely soft, it is very smooth. You won't feel like that you have applied a matte lipstick. It does look like a matte one, but the texture is completely soft. It feels like a butter or a lip balm. And even this lipstick is very good for those people who have thin lips, because it becomes little problematic for the people who have thin lips to apply the lipstick, क्योंकि बाहर निकल जाती है lips के. पर इसकी जो tip है, you can see the tip, it is very thin. So with this tip it becomes very easy to line your lips, and then you can fill up your lips. But if you're looking for a very long lasting lipstick, then this is not the right choice to go for. But if you have dry lips and still you want to apply a matte lipstick, so this is the best lipstick in the market. The price is just rupees 500 400 and you'll get it on discount from Nykaa. I got these two lipsticks for just rupees 400. They also haven't mentioned the quantity on the lipstick, but I just saw right now that they have mentioned the manufacturing date over here. You cannot see on the camera क्योंकि ऐसे स्क्रैच करके लिखा हुआ है, बहुत लाइट है, तो इस पर मैन्युफैक्चरिंग डेट लिखी हुई है. एक्सपायरी तो नहीं लिखी, बट आपको एक आइडिया हो जाता है कि मैन्युफैक्चरिंग अगर इतने टाइम की है तो ये 2 से 3 साल में एक्सपायर हो जाएगी. इवन इफ यू हैव पिगमेंटेड लिप्स, सो इट इज वेरी गुड फॉर दोज पीपल बिकॉज इट प्रोवाइड्स अ गुड अमाउंट ऑफ pigmentation to your lips. It is very opaque. It will provide the actual color in one swipe only. You don't have to layer the lipstick 3 or 4 times. So that was all for the review. I hope this video was informative and helpful. If you liked watching this video, so give it a thumbs up and do subscribe my channel. I will see you in my next video. Till then, take care. Goodbye.